Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Welcome back to the next lecture of English language. Okay, so today I'm going to start with a new topic. But before that, we have a short warm up activity. See, this time warm up activity is just for the discussion. You don't have to write anything. So, what you have to discuss? See, children, there are many popular novels and adventurous stories. Okay, in the in the English literature, okay, which are very interesting and very well known. Okay, they were so good that the stories are taken into the movies, and there are many movies which are based on them. I have few very I have few examples. The first one is Harry Potter. See, Harry Potter is the favorite movie and novel of many children of many countries. Okay, am I right, children? Because many kids, they love Harry Potter. It was one of the very well known novel, and then later on it was कन्वर्टेड इनटू दी मूवीज़. ठीक है, पहले ये नॉवल थी, बाद में उसकी मूवी बनी. इतनी अच्छी है वो. एंड हैरी पॉटर, इट हैज़ मेनी पार्ट्स, 1 2 3 4 5 7 to 8 parts, I think so, if I'm not wrong. Okay, and then one more story, that is the Gulliver's Travel. See, there was one of the movie which were in Hindi, Jajantran Mamantran, something like that. That movie is also based on Gulliver's Travel. This is also one of the very famous novel. Okay, so there are many novels in the library of English literature. So these are just two examples. So you may have read these kind of novels or some other novels. So you just have to recall all the memories of those novels or those stories which are read by you, or which stories you know. Okay, because according to me, everybody doesn't take out time for reading, and everybody is not fond of reading. Am I right, children? But you may have heard somewhere, or you may have seen in the movies some stories. So you have to just recollect all those memories. ठीक है, एक कोई भी स्टोरी को याद करो जो आपने सुनी हो या देखी हो या पढ़ी हो तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. Okay, here they are talking about only adventurous story. Fine, but mostly girls are not interested in adventurous stories. They are interested in fairy tales. So they can collect fairy tales also. What you all have to do is, you just have to write the name of the story on one page on the top. Suppose I'm writing Harry Potter, then you have to write the characters, how many characters were there in the story, and what was the main impact of the story and the moral of the story. Fine, this is just a warm up activity, children. This is not the fair worksheet or something, just a warm up activity, just to recall your memories. Fine, I hope you all have understood. Why I am asking all these things to you all? Because the lesson which I am going to begin today, that is totally based on adventures. Fine, पूरी adventurous story है जो मैं start करने वाली हूँ अभी. So let's see what is there in our adventurous story. A synopsis: The Swiss Family Robinson. Children, first of all, tell me the meaning of synopsis. I hope you all are ready with the pencil in your hand. Look at page number 6 of your English textbook. Synopsis means summary. There and then only you write summary. 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 The Swiss Family Robinson. See, children, novels are not so thin. They are very thick. एक novel जो है वो 500 pages की होती है. कभी कभी तो उससे भी ज़्यादा. And sometimes they are of 1 or 2 parts also. So it is not easy to read novel. Okay, it takes lot of time to read it. And each and everything is written in detail. So that is called novel, a big story book. Novel मतलब a big story book, only one story but has a big description. ठीक है, तो उसको बोलते हैं नॉवेल, जो बहुत लेंदी कहानी होती है. So here a synopsis. Why synopsis? It's a summary. It is possible, children, to write novel in the textbook? No, it is not possible at all, because हमारा syllabus ही नहीं होगा फिर. That's why it's a synopsis of very well-known novel, that is The Swiss Family Robinson. The Swiss Family Robinson is also one of the very famous novel book, and it is a synopsis. This lesson is the summary of that particular novel. Okay. Okay, what do you mean by Swiss? Right there, Swiss, it's a short form of Switzerland. The Swiss Family Robinson. Robinson, it's a surname of that particular family. Okay, जैसे कि हमारे यहाँ होते हैं मल्होत्रा, कपूर, खन्ना एंड ऑल. Similarly, they have Robinson. let's start. The Swiss Family Robinson is a well-known adventural novel that people of many countries have enjoyed for more than 200 years. It has also been made into graphic novels and films. See, as I told you, as we discussed about Harry Potter, it was very famous, well-known novel. Then it was, converted into the movies. So similarly, the Swiss Family Robinson is also a very very famous novel, and it has also been made into graphics means videos. इसके भी videos बने हैं, movies बनी हैं, novels and films. Okay, this was also very well known, and that's why it was also converted into movies and graphics. ठीक है. The novel written by the Swiss clergyman. The novel written by the Swiss clergyman. Clergyman means priest. Priest, you all know priest. Priest John David Wes. The name of that priest is John David Wes. Is not just an adventure. It aims at teaching young people value like self-reliance. Self-reliance means self-depend, self-sufficient. अपना काम खुद करना, आत्मनिर्भर जिसको अभी हम बोलते हैं. Determination, okay, courage, love for your family, cooperation, and prudent use of resources. Prudent use means proper use of resources. Okay, then this novel is written by one of the priests. What is the name of that priest? John David Wes. Okay, and the base and what is the main idea? Why this? What is the what David Wes want to teach? He wanted to teach the new generation the importance of family, self-sufficient, that is self-reliance, and determination, and cooperation with each other, love for the family. Okay, children, you know what is happening nowadays? People are not spending time along with their families. So this is one of the important lesson where you can understand the importance of family and how to use resources. Now we are staying in the world of technology, so we are away from all hard work. We want everything instant because we have many electronic sources, but the story is of very past time, and that time all such things were not available which we are using today. So how they used all basic things and how they come out of their problems, that is shown in the story. So there are many things which you can learn through this story. So let's see. Okay, love for your family, cooperation, and prudent use of resources. It also has good lesson relevant in natural science, good husbandry, and even mathematics. Okay, you can learn many things, even mathematics you can learn. Some elements of the novel do stretch reality to a certain extent, but we must consider that it is a work of fiction. Work of fiction means it is, adventure stories or any other stories, it is not totally reality based. This is fiction. Fiction मतलब कल्पना, काल्पनिक. So here also reality is extended. कुछ थोड़ा extra हो गया है जो हम समझ सकते हैं कि yes, ये it would not happen. This is not possible. Such thing is also shown in the story. So that is fiction, and not a fact. Fact means reality, and fiction means kalpana. Given below is a synopsis, an outline of its basic story. Okay, as I told you before only, it's a summary of a big story book. That is the Robinson's Family. So here only outline, only main incidents are discussed. Let's start. William, Elizabeth, and their children had been traveling in a ship when the ship was caught in a great storm. See, these are the family members: William, husband, Elizabeth, wife, and their children had traveling in a ship when the ship was caught in a great storm. Storm means tufan. The other passenger evacuated. They left. Okay, they left the ship without them. and these people were inside only, and the rest of the people, they escaped from there, वो भाग गए वहाँ से. Without them, William and his family, including the young children, Fritz, Ernest, Jack and Franz, how many kids are there? 4, were left to survive alone. See, these 6 people were left on the ship, which were in the sudden and heavy storm. Sudden and heavy storm. They weathered the great storm, waiting in the ship's hold. Okay, they waited over there. Weathered means they waited over there to stop the storm. वो सैलाब के रुकने का इंतज़ार करते रहे. कहाँ? In the ship itself. The ship survived the night and the family found themselves within sight of a tropical desert island. And the whole night they were in the ship only and waited for the storm. And finally, early morning, they found themselves on the deserted island. What do you mean by island, children? A small land which is covered by sea. एक छोटा सा किनारा. Okay, deserted island. The next morning, they decided to get to the island. They could see beyond the reef. Okay, they could see beyond the reef. What do you mean by reef here? Rocks and sand close to the surface of the sea. Fine. तो उन्होंने फैसला किया कि वो वहाँ रुकेंगे. With much effort, they constructed a vessel out of tubs. Tubs means, you may have seen whenever the ship goes, it carries small boats along with it. So here tubs are also small boats. Okay. After they filled the tubs with food, they filled whatever, see, and whenever the ship starts traveling, it carries all the required things, है ना. ship कभी भी 1 महीने के लिए जाती है, कभी 10 दिन के लिए जाती है, तो they have to store all the required material inside. So here also the ship was filled with all such things. Okay. After they filled the tubs with food and ammunition means the tools and weapons, hatiyar, औजार, and all other articles of value they could safely carry. Okay, they rode means चलाना, towards the island. Okay, दूर से उनको दिखाई दिया कि सामने island है. Then they started doing so. What happened? Early morning they found themselves near the deserted island, but it was little far. They have to go till there. So they made a small boat by using the small boats which were already there. The tubs are called. Okay, and they rowed the boat towards the island. 2 dogs from the ship, there were 2 dogs also in the ship, named Turk and Juno, swam beside them. Okay, they also started swimming. Swam, it's swim. The ship's cargo of livestock means here the food material, जैसे कि chicken है, mutton है, जो भी वो store करते हैं, fishes are there. Okay, or the animals they keep for food, that is called livestock. Guns and gunpowder. Carpentry tools. See, as we all know, the ship is made up of what? The ship is made up of wood. So obviously this carpentry tool is also must. Books, a disassembled pinnace, that is a broken boat, and provisions had also survived. See, these all things they carried. Over the next few days, William attached the floatable old kegs to one another and built a bow that curved around them. The family had landed successfully on the island. They set up a tent and softened the floor with armloads of grass. They cut and spread to serve as their beds. They came to a grove of trees. Okay, and they reached the island. They made what they did over there, they started living over there. उन्होंने एक टेंट बनाया. They made tent and inside what they did, they made a bed of hay. मतलब सूखी हुई घास से उन्होंने बेड भी बनाया. And they started living over there. So here it's just a beginning of their journey. We will see what happens next in their life in the next lecture. Let's have a recap what we have seen in the story. Swiss family Robinsons. Okay, see, these are 4 kids and mother and father. Elizabeth, William, and who else? Fritz, Ernest, Jack and Franz. Okay, these are all characters. See, as we have seen, there was sudden storm in the sea, okay, and they all were left alone in the ship. And next day, the ship survived and they reached the island, which were totally deserted. Nothing was available for them, so they did everything on their own, है ना. उन्होंने खुद ही से छोटी छोटी बोट्स को अरेंज किया, एक छोटी सी बोट बनाई, एंड दे कैरिड ऑल द रिक्वायर्ड मटेरियल लाइक लाइफ स्टॉक, carpentry tools, amenities, whatever was required for them, which were necessary. Okay, and they survived there. See, here we finish only the discussion part of the story. This is a very long story, so we will continue in the next lecture. Okay, children, thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.